When Makarov escaped, he mobilized his army on multiple fronts. Konni group hit the Urzikstan port before sunrise. Farah was there.
She hurt?
Negative. Her team engaged, took casualties. Left Konni with a kill count of her own.
Good on you, Farah. What'd they get from the port?
A shipment of American missiles.
Konni's got their own missiles. What does Makarov want these for?
We need to find out. I'm tracking them now. Once I get a fix, we'll action it.
You said multiple fronts, Laswell. Give us a target.
Konni forces are converging on a nuclear power plant in Urzikstan as we speak.
Is the plant active?
Abandoned when the ULF beat Barkov.
Then what's there?
All four of you, as soon as you can.
Rog, Ghost and I'll recce the plant. Soap and Gaz secure the perimeter. If Makarov's going nuclear, we'll stop him in his tracks.
Solid copy. Let's get after it, Bravo.
1 minute! Tight! Quake's good to go!
That's our gear on the ground if we need it.
We will. Ramp! Alright, full altitude is 2,000 ATL. Kinda close! That's how we do.
Roger up at a rally point.
Shut! Stand by. Go!
Target those Helo 6. Whatever Konni's after, let's keep it on the ground. Got eyes on you, Captain. I'll relay what I see from overhead.
Thanks for the assist, Watcher.
Makarov means all hands on deck, John.
Ghost, are you picking up radiation spikes?
Negative. All the helos scan clear. Should be safe to use explosives on them.
Copy.
6, you've got multiple Konni near that Helo.
Copy, Watcher. Visual on Helo.
Copy, 6. That's your target.
We're at our primary set points. Konni inside, working to secure perimeter. Work quietly until the captain kicks things off. No promises, LT.
Going hot.
Six, you've got reinforcements and work in the area. Stay sharp.
That kicks things off. Copy incoming.
Charge set.
Hit it.
JLTV jacked.
Enemy helos going down. All stations, helo destroyed.
Good work. 2 to go.
Six, the explosion got Konni's attention. Enemy incoming. Captain, still not picking up any radiation. Johnny, Garrick, anything? Negative. Neither is Konni. There's no radioactive material. What's Konni after?
Stay on it, find out.
Six, another helo is near your location. Multiple Konni on target. Copy 6, take it out. Bravo, be advised. Konni birds approaching reinforcements. They're closing in, Captain. Defend yourself.
More Konni's breaking off. Watch your back.
Bravo 6, be advised. Konni armored helo is overhead. 07, any change in radiation?
Negative, Watcher. Should be in the reactor right now. Power's off. Those are sealed.
Well, let's keep it up, man. Eyes on the last helo.
Copy, take it down.
Taking heavy fire. RPGs. Almost there. All targets destroyed.
Good work, Six. John got a mounted MG coming your way on an armored vehicle. Be advised, Bravo 6. Konni has entered your reactor. You need to get down there.
The top helo is still overhead.
06, we've seen heavy Konni activity. They're forming up somewhere. Could be they found what they're looking for. Got eyes. Looks like they're converging on the reactor though.
And that's where we need to be. Bravo, weapons hot. Push to the reactor.
Roger. Eyes on. They're pushing to the reactor. Searching for the power.
Affirmative. Whatever Konni's after will be inside.
All Bravo. Rally point is the reactor.
Copy. We're inbound. 07 moving. Bird down, Pro.
Konni's ahead of you, Six. Possible entry point nearby.
Making entry.
You've got an enemy helo overhead. It's at the reactor, deployed rope. We'll find something. They're bringing in secondary extraction. We have to stop them now.
Stations, Konni's extracting canisters from the reactor.
Can you confirm the contact?
Negative. Fire on that helo. Bring it down. All stations, Konni's extracting chemical weapons.
Only taking the gas out on that helo. We're gonna lose it. Roger, can you track them?
On it, Ghost. Stand by.
This is 6. Reactors sealed. I'm locked in. Gone to send.
ISR shows Konni personnel entering the reactor.
I can't stay up here. There's no cover.
Check high for coordinates, Captain. Stay sharp.
Konni are closing in, John. Watch your back.
Konni wants to
Need some fucking cover.
pick up the captain. That's it. Center up. Grab the rope.
Got it.
Grab my hand! Got it! We got you, Cap.
Stay with us, son.
Cap. Cap! Stay with us, sir! 6-2 to Watcher, we need medevac now.
Morning, sir.
Take it easy, Cap. You beat the gas, but you still need some time to recover.
I'm fine.
Got a headache? Nausea?
Always.
He's good.
Was worried your face was gonna melt off like those other poor bastards. You ask me, it'd be an improvement.
Konni got away with the chemicals.
Affirmative.
Makarov has been out of prison for 6 hours and he's already ahead of us.
The fuck is in that gas?
Remnants of Barkov's program.
Sir, highly concentrated, far more lethal.
One pod contaminated the whole area.
They made off with enough to kill a whole country.
Right now, he's in Farrow's backyard. We've got to find her.